So the idea of the fork sock is inside over here you have an oil seal which runs up and down, and the shiny stanchion part moves into the shock which houses the oil, and the seal holds the oil inside the shock. So if you end up getting damaged to the shiny stanchion part, then as it goes up, it cuts the little seal inside here and causes a leak, and your shock then loses its oil and its ability to work properly. So what I want to show you now is how to install the shock, or the fork sock, onto the shock. So you take your fork sock out from the packet. You should receive a packet like this, and your fork sock should be inside. You take them out, you'll see these two little tags up at the top here, and fork sock written like that, Velcro on the front and on the inside over there. So the idea is with the tags at the top and the fork of the wording at the top, you then slide it into your shock, like so. Make sure a little bit's around the top of the housing of the stanchion itself, and you just close it through with the Velcro. Easy as that. You can either choose to have the wording out, or you can leave it in, depending on what you like. And then you pull it up a little bit so it's high. You then feed a cable tie through these little eyelets round there, and you pull it tight and hold it in place. And the idea is that this can bunch if need be, and the shock is moving, but it always returns back to its original position afterwards.